You are watching Kidiez World TV. Hello and welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another episode of Kidiez World TV and we have a lots of beautiful wild and farm animals. Of course we show you everyday animals, but we also adding some new things. As you can see this road roller, you can see this Spino and Dimetrodon, and you can also see a drill machine. So let's start our review with this beautiful cow. Cow is a farm animal, very adorable and useful animal. Here we go. Cow. The next one is Goose. Goose is a very beautiful farm animal. Let's wash him. Here we go. Goose.
Geese are walking so happily. Each is honking, honk, honk, honk. They want breakfast, so they come.
Let's check out the next one. And the next we have is a goat. Goat is a little farm animal, but very cute and very adorable animal. Goat. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is reindeer. Reindeer is a very beautiful and adorable wild animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Reindeer. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have a road roller. That's a very beautiful construction machine. Let's watch him. We are all adding these things to educate you more and more by new things. So this is our aim and this is our motive. Road roller.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger,
Let's check out the next one. And the next we have is a crab. Crab is a sea animal. Let's wash him. It's very dirty. Here we go. Crab. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is a crocodile. Crocodile is a very dangerous wild animal. Just let's watch him. And here we go. Crocodile.
5 crocodiles went swimming one day down at the river where the crocodiles play. Mommy crocodile said, "Chomp, come back," but only 4 crocodiles came.
Let's check out the next one. And the next we have is a horse. Horse is a farm animal and very beautiful animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Horse. And the next we have is a dog. Dog is a farm animal and also comes in a pet animal category. Let's wash him. Here we go. Dog. Let's check out the next one. And the next we have is a rabbit. Rabbit is a small farm animal but very cute and very adorable animal. Let's watch him. Rabbit. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is zebra. Zebra is a very beautiful wild animal. Let's watch him. And here we go. Zebra.
बहुत फनी लगता है, लेकिन मुझे पसंद है।
ऐसे आधे ज़ीब्रा को भला क्या कहते हैं? ज़ीब? ज़ीब?
And the next we have is moose. Moose is a wild animal, very beautiful and adorable wild animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Moose.
He liked to drink a lot of juice. There was a great big moose.
Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is Velociraptor. That's a dinosaur, big dinosaur, move with two legs. By diet, these are carnivorous dinosaurs. Velociraptor.
The Velociraptor has big claws, has big claws, has big claws. The Velociraptor has big claws, he snaps them all day long.
Let's check out the next one, and the next we have pigeon. That's a bird. That's a white pigeon. Pigeons are very adorable and very cute birds. These are pets basically. Pigeon.
I'm a common pigeon, I'm hardly ever hidden. I coo here, I coo there, I coo around everywhere.
Let's check out the next one. And the next we have is Rhinoceros. Rhino are wild animals, very big and very heavy animals. Here we go, Rhinoceros. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is front loader. That's a construction machine. This is how they pick up the load and they dump into a truck. So basically this is known as a front loader. Let's watch him. And here we go. Front loader. Very beautiful and useful construction machine. Here we go.
You are the best. Can you dig and build things? Yes, yes, yes. You can sort out problems better than.
Next we have is a snake. Snake is a very scary wild animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Snake. Very dangerous snake and very big one.
I'm the fascinating snake, I can make you with fear shake. I'm a reptile in tropical regions found.
Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is a camel. Camel is a big wild animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Camel. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is a donkey. Donkey is a farm animal. Let's wash him. Here we go. Donkey. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is the big elephant. That's a big African elephant, grey color. Let's wash him. Here we go. Elephant.
Baby elephant do 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 do, baby elephant do 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 do, baby elephant do 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 do, baby elephant.
And the next we have is eagle. Eagle is a bird as well, and that's a very very special bird. Look at him. He's flying. Let's wash him. Here we go. Eagle.
Rich brown feathers on body and wings, body and wings, body and wings. Rich brown feathers on body and wings.
Let's check out the next one, and the next we have Dimetrodon. Let's wash him. Here we go, Dimetrodon.
What this is for scientists, they debate. Now they think it's to attract a mate. Dimetrodon with a sail.
Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is Spinosaurus. That's a dinosaur, and a very very big and heavy dinosaur. Let's wash him. And here we go, Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. Spino, the lizard with spines.
Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is a sheep. Sheep is a farm animal, very beautiful farm animal. Let's wash him. Here we go. Sheep.
Are we almost there? No. Now?
6, 7.
Let's check out the next one, and the next we have a construction machine. Road driller. That's a construction machine. Whenever we need heavy drill, we use this machine to drill the roads and the construction sites. Let's wash him. And here we go. Road driller. Just look at this beautiful machine. Let's check out the next one, and the next we have is beautiful cheetah. That's a special one. I don't know why he's very happy. Maybe he has a lots of animal to eat. Let's wash him. That's a big wildcat. African cheetah are the fastest animal in the world right now. Here we go. Cheetah. So this is it from today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day friends. Take care. Bye bye.